Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve business intelligence tools with Qlik, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining business intelligence and its significance in decision making. Introduce Qlik as a leading business intelligence tool that offers dynamic data visualization and analysis. Begin by downloading and installing Qlik Sense or Qlik View, depending on your business needs. Create an account on Qlik's official website if you haven't already. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and essential features of Qlik tools. Start by importing your datasets from different sources like spreadsheets, databases, or cloud storage. Ensure your data is clean and well structured for optimal performance. Use data modeling techniques in Qlik to establish relationships between different data sources. Leverage Qlik's associative model to explore data connections dynamically. Create meaningful and visually appealing dashboards using Qlik's drag-and-drop functionality. Incorporate various visualization types such as bar charts, line graphs, and pie charts to present data effectively. Use the storytelling feature to create a narrative around your data insights. Utilize Qlik's built-in analytics functions for advanced calculations and trend analysis. Integrate third-party applications and APIs to enhance Qlik's functionality based on your business requirements. Regularly update your data connections to ensure you are working with the most accurate information. Train your team on utilizing Qlik tools to drive data-driven decisions within the organization. Continuously gather feedback from users to identify areas for improvement. Stay updated with Qlik's new features and capabilities by following their official channels. Consider joining the Qlik community forums for support and knowledge sharing. Implement best practices for data governance to maintain data integrity and security. Evaluate the performance of your Qlik applications periodically for optimization. Encourage a culture of data literacy in your organization to maximize the benefits of Qlik. Reflect on your organization's specific needs to tailor the use of Qlik tools accordingly. Regularly review analytics outcomes to ensure alignment with business goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.